sit down, relax.
So you're telling me you didn't put the flash on when you recorded?
Girl, because it died by itself. See? Blow out the candles. Make a wish.
Oh, look at everything. This is so cute.
Do you like everything?
Yeah. That's pretty. Everything.
Dude, I did that, damn. I did that. I'm like hella proud of myself.
How much did you guys spend?
All of it. Let's see. Ask me so I can get promoted. Promote me, guys.
Hi, birthday boy.
Those don't blow out.
I love you.
Those don't blow out, right?
I love you.
I love you too. Those don't blow out?
They do.
No, they don't.
Those aren't the reusable ones. The one that I told her to get. Those
All right, your turn.
Yeah.
Open your baskies.
I see a lot of peanut butter, which I like.
What do you want to do?
Move.
I did that.
Come on, hurry up.
I don't want to open it.
It's
Right there.
Tell me to move, and I'm with the baby.
Come on, come on,
Okay,
come on.
flowers.
So, got some laces.
Because I heard you like
Some more laces. Some more laces. Some more laces.
I got
Those are
poked
real
doing
flowers.
that. Those are real.
Ah, it's a thorn.
Yeah. I told you I just got poked by doing that.
What's it good for me?
There's more in that one.
Some more letter for you?
Mm-hmm.
And some flowers.
Your beautiful flowers.
That goes with us. These are beautiful.
Oh.
That's okay.
Basket number 2.
Some more flowers.
Oh. What are those? What are those? Something you ate that you said you didn't what?
Oh!
You didn't like?
Yeah,
Oh,
he took
yeah.
my last Kit Kat.
Yeah, exactly.
I told her to get him because she was like, no, you don't like Kit Kat. I'm like, yes, he
That's
does.
more
He ate
Kit
my
Kat?
last Kit Kat. Oh, the reason why I got 2 because you're sharing.
Spider. Spider.
Reese's Puffs.
Spider. Spider. Spider.
Girl, I mean boy, they're just the 3 Musketeers are mine, but I just put it in the basket for show.
Can you step on the spider, please?
Girl, let it live. It's okay.
Some Three Musketeers for me.
For me. I literally got it from you. I just put it in the basket for you.
Some more Butterfinger.
That was your bottle. We drank one, I think, already.
Yeah, we drank one.
That's okay. Let them tip. They were gonna tip anyways. What's that?
That was all the
Sparkling soda.
Yeah. I love you.
I love you too.
Happy birthday.
Thank you, bro.
That's okay. Come here. Come here. Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Come here.
Okay, I need you to close your eyes. Okay, come on. Walk faster.
Tell me if I'm wrong.
Just walk faster. You're
I'm
fine.
looking at the ground.
You're fine. Walk this way. Close. Keep your eyes shut. I'm coming. Do not rush. Keep your eyes closed. Keep your eyes closed.
Very close.
Turn around. Turn around. Just turn around. Now walk backwards.
Can I look?
Nope.
That's what I can
Just keep your eyes closed. Just keep your eyes closed. Just keep your eyes closed. It's been recording. Drop the bags. Just drop the bags. Come on, come on, come on. Stop. No, girl, I got it. Open your eyes.
Okay.
Go ahead, turn around.
What?
What?
It's so cute. Wait, do I walk? Or?
Yes, girl. Yes.
Oh no. It's so cute.
Thank you.
Dear Robert. Happy birthday.
Do you like it?
I love it.
Oh,
I
thank
feel like crying,
you
but
so
I don't
much.
cry.
Where we at?
I don't know. Where am I?
Hello guys, we are at SeaWorld. Stay tuned for another SeaWorld video coming up. Look how cute these things are. Come here, come here, come here. Almost get. He's like, you don't have fish.
Bitch, I'm a poke you. Did you sleep?
Yeah. My baby sleep.
Let me see.
It's cold. Oh, hi, baby. You want to give a high five? Come here. High five. That was spotted. Hey, kid.
I gotta kill all the shells.
Yeah.
I got hair in my mouth.
My baby sleep.
I got hair in my mouth.
She's got hair in her mouth. There's the roller coaster we're getting on. All right, guys. See you there. No, bird! There's a bird on me! There's a bird on me! I don't want to ride this ride anymore! I want to get off! No! No! A fucking bird! There was a bird on me! Man, I was trying to kick it off. Like, I was trying to kick it off. I don't know.